Good morning, guys. Me and Mikey have come out to New City Park. We haven't been here yet, so we're gonna give this a shot. There's lots of open area. I think Mike did some research and said it's been here since the 40s at least. He's already on a target, and I've got
penny signal. More beer can. More beer can. Moving on.
I've got one right in here somewhere. I think it's over here, but it's a pretty good signal. So let's start digging this one and see what we find. Well, we're off to about the normal start. Got a beaver tail, ringing a 59, which is normally something very good on this detector, but all right.
Looks like more trash. I'm using the Manticore today, and I don't quite know what I'm doing, so we're gonna keep working it until we find something that's not trash, I guess. Moving on.
What in the hell? All right, it's in my hand. I don't know what's going on with my pinpointer here. We got it. Again, like I thought. Oh no, it's the dime. Let's see what we got here. 2011. Alright, keep moving. That was a lot of work to find that. I don't know what's going on with this thing.
Alright, first good signal of the day. We'll see. It's pretty shallow. Let's see what it come up with. We got ourselves a quarter. Hot dog, we're on the board. 1987. All right, well, 92, 93, I thought I was gonna get my first silver, but I think that is a horseshoe. It's either a horseshoe or a gas line. I'm gonna dig it up, get right back. None of the above. It's a knife handle. It's a piece of a knife anyway. All right, moving on.
All right, sorry about the wind, but I've moved from over there with Mike over to this other gazebo here. It says on the concrete that it was made back in 44. There are so many signals around this thing, but I got one here, ring up a 92, so it's probably just a modern clad penny or a Mickey's cap. Great. But it had a really good trace on the XY screen, so I dug it.
Dug that quarter right at the tip of my shovel there. And I've got maybe a dime, maybe a penny, I don't really know. This Manticore's got some funky numbers, so. I think my battery's dying on this thing. Son of a bitch. It's dying. What a pain in the butt. I'll come back when I get it. Without a pinpointer, that made it really difficult. Dime 99. Moving on.
All right, I got another solid 93. It's in the plug here. Probably another one of those damn bottle caps. I've dug a couple more since the last clip I made. Or it's a penny. Let's see. There it is. It's a dime. Yeah. Oh. Now look at that. Hopefully it's old. Dropped it. Oh, this is looking good. Alright, hang on a second. Let me clean this up. God dang it. Why does a 2016 dime look so shiny? Whatever. Let's keep going.
All right, got an 89 here. Pretty shallow. Pretty hard digging. See it? Quarter, state quarter. But we'll take it. It's been kind of a bummer day. So, moving on.
All right, guys, got another target here. You can see that 94, 95. And 94, 95. The trace looks pretty good. So let's check this one out. And this is the problem I'm having. I've dug a couple of these. I haven't showed you guys, but there's our great signal, 95, 96, and it's an old beer can. I've dug, I think this is the third or fourth one. But you gotta dig them. I mean, it's like a perfect signal. So, Mikey's walking this way. Let's see what he found. All right, guys, we're out at another park here. The wind is even worse than let's go over this new area here. Just dug up those water lines. I got a 99, 98. Got it out, and then this clump of dirt. I think I'll go back over real fast to you guys. Yeah, it's inside of there. Let's see what we find. Probably, or did I just see something? Probably gonna be a pull tab, but man, you can't pass up a signal that high. Oh, there we go. Modern state quarter. Man, why is everything ringing up so high on my detector? It should not be a 98, 99. But found it, 1999, Georgia. Keep on going.
87, 88, 89. Shallow. Big, maybe. It's not that. Quarter, state quarter. Moving on. It's a penny. Moving on. Alright, 91, 92, but it's kind of got the makings of a rusty nail. Manticore fans know what I'm talking about. So, let's see. Rusty nail it is not. quarter. Perfect. We'll find some more. So I didn't make it very far. This was my rusty nail hole right here. And I don't know if I dropped the quarter back in the hole or there was 2 quarters, but I turned the camera off and I looked up, there was another quarter. So we'll go back and check the camera and see if we can see 2 quarters in the hole. Moving on.
Well, the way my detector's going today, that's probably the target. But we'll swing back over it, see what I find.
On another penny signal. I haven't dug it yet. We'll do it together. Couldn't hit it with my pin pointer, so must be a little bit deeper anyway. Or not. Alright, let's try this. Maybe we just missed it. Oh, that's not a quarter. That's not a penny, I don't think. Maybe it is. Ha. I'll be dipped. It's new. That's all we seem to be finding these days. But moving on.
Alright, we got either another quarter, or a dime, or a rusty bolt, or a beer can. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I've done to the settings on my detector, but God, I can go back through it again and set it all. There it is. Another rusty bolt.
Alright, on the quarter. Pretty shallow. Ah, surface. 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 Alright, moving on. At least this one don't have a state on it. 66 signal. Modern penny. Moving on.
Alright, this little target was a 91, and it looks like a penny. Let's dive. Man, why is my detector so weird right now? 90 something. Alright, let's keep going. We only got a little bit more
quick wrap up here. Kind of a bummer of a day, but it wasn't too bad. We got outside, a little windy. Bunch of stuff. There's my horseshoe that I was talking about earlier. Some older pull tabs. Did find 3 pennies, a dime, and some quarters. So not bad. We were outside. It was good.
Yeah, it was nice to get back out and metal detect some. Of course, I got trash, beaver tail, one of them. These bolts that ring up really good. I don't know. It's got to be a frequency thing with my detector why it's acting weird. Couple quarters, some dimes. I had a couple pennies that I found that I think I caught on video, but I don't know where they went off to. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed